enjoy the scenery and wherever it takes you.
All right, baby.
You're doing great, baby.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Angela and Joey Try Vlogging. I'm Joey.
I'm Angela.
Today we're gonna go randonauting again. We tried the paranormal thing and two problems happened. So we tried it in the evening, and number one, we need proper lighting. So until we get that, we're not gonna be able to do a night type thing. We can't drive around with the light on. And then plus it kept taking us to houses again. So we're gonna try and do something not paranormal, but you know, mystery, surrounded in mystery, I guess. So we're gonna see how this works.
Unknown.
Yeah, like the unknown. So, you know, there's been a lot of talk of, you know, conspiracies and stuff like that, right? You know, around everywhere right now. So we are going to try and hit some of those words and see where it takes us, see how fun this will be. So, first word we're gonna do
is, I can't see if you can see it. There we go.
so we want to see.
Everyone's curious,
Yeah,
right?
I think everybody wonders. So we're going to check it out and see where this takes us, see if it has anything correlation or anything. So we're going to go ahead and pull up the app and put forth our intent and see
Start thinking about it,
where they
babe.
take us.
Okay.
Gotta, the eyes. I don't even care if it hears me this time. Like, take me someplace cool then. Illuminati. Illuminati, 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 Illuminati.
Illuminati.
Illuminati, Illuminati. Illuminati.
Come on. Ooh. All right, we have a void.
Oh.
And it's at somebody's house, but it's in their front lawn.
We're gonna go check it out. Let's see where it takes us.
We're also super excited because we got a GoPro.
Yes, we did.
Thanks, John. Super excited to try it. See how it goes. I mean, there was literally nothing.
There's like 15 people
that.
outside.
Well, yeah,
And
there's
it,
15
like, it just
people.
looked like a house. So.
That was really cool. There was nothing spectacular outside. There was, other than the people playing, which they were older too. And hey, isn't this where it kind of took us to find something funny? But we didn't really find anything funny.
It looks it looks familiar, so
Maybe.
might be.
Okay.
We'd show you, but we're just cruising around.
I
It's
always
like
think
a
it takes us to
neighborhood.
the same spot, and it really doesn't.
Literally a side street. So
All right, you want to try that one again?
yeah, let's do that one. We'll do it on the move. You know what? Let's do this. Let me drive to where the nature trail is, and we'll start it from there.
Okay. We'll see you in a bit.
All right, so we just pulled up to a nature reserve, whatever it's called, by our house. Let's see if maybe it'll take us somewhere in here, or at least away from a house. We keep getting houses, so we're gonna try that again. We always do ANU.
My phone's being kind of slow.
That's just what we always
ANU.
choose.
All right, focus.
Illuminati. Illuminati. Staring up at the triangle. Illuminati.
There we go. All right, avoid. It's got a 134 meter radius. That's pretty big. Let's see here.
Oh, looks like it's Not at a house.
Okay, so it didn't take us to anywhere in the nature preserve, but it's taking us to a forest. I don't know if you guys can see this pin here, but we're gonna have to walk. So
let's go check it out.
that tree right there.
Okay. And we'll walk in from there.
So we have to.
So we're here.
Go
We're going to let's go for a walk. Go see what it is. All right. So we're about to head in. See what we can find. That's a trail?
It looks like it, yeah.
It is open in there, huh? Should we just charge it? Let's try it. I don't know if you can hear the bird, but he sounds angry. It's over there.
I'm pretty sure this tree is.
So this is the thing. Let's see what we...
Okay, no, it's like this thing. Oh, I moved away from the pen. What? No, yeah, I'm on the pen. Look.
So it's somewhere right in here. Different. I mean, it looks, but we also just had that storm, so it could have just been blown down. This is cool.
Oh, I am by a giant spider web.
Oh wait, there's like a drop off over here. Maybe it's by the drop off. People definitely come over here.
Come back here, for sure.
That's what I was looking at. Let us know if you guys caught anything. I didn't see anything. So
Other than those, the triangle.
it's a lot of like
and
laid
those
around
sticks.
dead trees, but we had a storm here a few days ago that blew down a bunch of stuff. So
Do you want to maybe look like a little bit the other way?
yeah, we'll try taking you back the other way and see, but let us know if you see something. Ow. Ow, ow, ow. Careful, this one has prickles.
Yeah, that's
Let's go this way.
Tommy.
You alright, baby? Alright, so that one was, I don't know, I mean, we got to go explore at least, so that was cool. At least we got someplace where we could go look. We didn't find anything, we looked pretty much all over there. If you guys see something in the video, definitely let us know. There was a couple trees and a triangle, but I mean...
But we just had a big storm, they could have just felt like that.
We don't want to reach. But we're going to move on to the next word. A little, I mean, I guess it is kind of correlates with it. You know, it's along the same lines. Go ahead and show them. We'll keep this one quiet. We won't say anything. See what it does.
All right. Picking anomaly.
This forest preserve seemed to work. At least it took us someplace we could go.
And you.
Now we're doing this from the same spot. So.
All right. Focus.
Take us somewhere fun.
No points currently detected in the area, supplying a quantum point for you instead.
Let's try it again. The quantum, we've gone to a couple of those and it doesn't, we've had no luck at them, so we just don't even bother.
Alright, and you.
Some people may have luck with them, I don't know. But we've gone to like 4 of them and it wasn't even...
Fine, focus.
Okay.
Oh, alright, void. Oh, it's 229 meter radius. That's pretty big. Okay, let's see here.
Caught a little war wound apparently from being in there.
I know, I got one.
They had some thorn bushes.
I got one too. Can't really see it.
Battle scars.
Alright, it's in a neighborhood. It's like on the side of the street though.
That's cool to try it out. If you have music or an instrumental you want us to use in our video, you know, we'll put your channel link and all that while it's playing. We definitely welcome that, so we'll try and use it.
Always looking for new stuff.
Definitely, hopefully it'll help you out. People will click on it and see it. So if you are looking for that, matter of fact, we have one here we're going to play for you, and hope you enjoy it. I'm not gonna do that one.
It's not a great area.
It's in between two houses, like an alley, a small little section. Like we'd have no business there, and there's two people in their backyards. We're gonna try it again right here. Try the same word. Let's try it again and see what happens.
We're just at a different forest preserve, so.
Yeah, I'll show you right here. We're at it's like a park, forest preserve.
There's some houses back there, but.
Well, we figured it's a good spot as I need to check it out. It was by the conspiracy theory, or the conspiracy location, but like I said, where that was at, there was no way we could have just walked up in there and not had any issues.
Oh, the guy was like working in his backyard,
Yeah.
and
I know.
it would have been really awkward.
I'd have something to say if people walked up. Just started looking around behind the house.
Sorry. Didn't want to wait for him to stop because it looked like he was in the middle of a project.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's try this again, shall we? Same word?
Same word.
Okay.
Hopefully that'll take us somewhere in there.
Anomaly. ANU. Focus.
And now just to our point in our previous video, you know, with the free pins, like we've gone to one place already, but we've ultimately used, I think, 4 or 5 pins now. So, you know, keep that in mind. And there's places you just can't go. So I think, you know, we're about,
See,
I think it's our 5th pin. So
this one, just another example. So let's try this again. Focus. Conspiracy. I'm saying it.
conspiracy, and it popped up. Maybe it does listen.
Power score is 4.57. Hopefully we can actually go to it. It's in a field. It's behind houses. Looks like we can get to it from a church parking lot.
All right, let's go. Looks like it's in like behind a church parking lot. Conspiracy, we'll see. How far away?
It's only 4 minutes away.
4 minutes away. It's been a good day for as far as like, you know,
Trying to find things.
we haven't driven a bunch of miles, which has been nice. Everything's been kind of up the road, so that's been cool.
That was another thing. In our last Randonautica video, every place that it wanted to take us was like 20 minutes away. And with our small window, we didn't really have enough time to
I feel like 10
venture
minutes
that
away.
far.
I feel like these have been 2, 4. I
And
think the biggest one was 6.
yeah, and not to mention the locations that it was taking to were homes. They were private residences, private property we couldn't go to, so there was no point in driving that far because we couldn't go to it.
But that led to us using up a lot of our pins. A lot of the places they were trying to send us were, we didn't have the time to go, and we're not going to go drive all the way down there to make sure the house, you know. If it's around here, we'll usually go to the house and at least see if there's something blatantly in front of it, or, you know, something we can see right from the road. But, you know, we don't want to drive 15, 20 minutes to go, oh, there's nothing there.
No, sorry, we just drove past the other pin and I was trying to see if that guy was still there, and he's still there, so really not stopping there this time. Fun. No way.
It's about the adventure. This is like weird.
Okay, there are plenty of major streets around this area, and it has taken us into a pretty secluded neighborhood
Like a townhome complex.
that we've never been to,
Yeah.
and
it's taken us around these like little side streets. I mean, it's funny.
yeah,
It's a cool app to play. It is random.
very random. Church,
I mean,
though. I don't want to walk in people's
Yeah,
yards.
it's people's yards.
Although there is a path over there.
I'd rather go
Which
from the
starts
church.
right here.
I can't say anything from the church. Because it is like a public field, but it's just the way it took us, we'd have to walk through people's yards to get to the field. Does that make sense? So here we go. Going to the church.
We should have just taken the
Take
one
me
that I
to
took.
church. Now I can use my phone. do the deal.
So funny story, my GPS doesn't, it avoids left-hand turns for me.
Knows you so well.
It does. I got into 2 accidents like right when I got my license, and they were both trying to make left-hand turns. And with that, I avoided making left-hand turns as much as I could, and my GPS just kind of picked up on that, so it avoids left-hand turns for me. Please tell me why it wants me to walk all over.
Show them. Look what it wants us to do. I think it's her phone. But look at this.
Can you see that with the glare? I don't even know. We're like right by the pit, and it wants us to walk 15 minutes around.
Interesting. Alright, let's do this. That was crazy. It looks like a cereal box.
Wait.
Did we go too fast? Well, let's go look at it now. It's a cereal box. Honey Crunch Oats.
Is there anything in there?
I'll pick it up.
Although it does look like it really drops down.
Yeah, with not being able to see, that could get dangerous. Alright, we'll see you when we get back in the car. For conspiracy. Alright, so we're going to move on to the next word now. And we did 2 for Illuminati, 2 for conspiracy. Next up is... Let's see what it brings us.
Let's see what we find.
We're doing this from basically the daycare parking lot where we were just at, so hopefully it'll take us someplace good.
Okay, it has our location.
All right, let's put forward our intent.
Focus on it, focus on it. It's focusing. Ooh, and a tractor.
He answered me right away. Let's see what happens. Oh, yeah, it looks like it's in the forest.
It is in the forest. It's off of a trail.
All right. Let's see what it brings us to.
I'm excited. We're getting more points today that we can actually go to.
Yeah, it's been nice.
Well, hopefully we can go to this one. We'll see.
I think maybe it does matter, like starting, I don't know if it does, but starting at the forest preserve, you know, obviously when we went to, from our spot, we usually start, it took us to a house again, and we get houses a lot. Then we go to the forest preserve, and it took us into the woods at least. Not those woods, but more woods. And then now we just did it by that field and like those little forests, and it's taking us to the woods again. So maybe it matters if you're doing it in a neighborhood. Per se, I don't know.
I think I read somewhere that it does, like if you're in a densely populated area, that you're more likely to come up with private property, which makes sense.
That's part of the mystery. Why did it take us in a big U-turn? And it told us to go that way. It didn't.
Maybe because it knows I don't like making left turns.
There you go, right hand turn. Didn't want to make the left, so it took us in a complete U-turn. So we're not lying. It's crazy.
Oh, that's funny.
It literally just took us in a U. Alright, so we're here. We're going to head out and see what we can find. This is Mystery. It's in a nice little forest preserve. You can see it. So
There's
we're
a trail
gonna
back
be
in there.
walking into there. We'll be back with you in 1 second. This is what we're talking about, is enjoy the scenery, you know, wherever it takes you. Some of it's pretty cool.
I like this trail.
Rocking out. Look at this. It's just one rain cloud, like, over us. That's kind of mysterious, huh? So, fun fact, when we said that we were here with my son the last time in our last video. Yeah.
We have to go a little bit farther to get to the pit.
But I can show you what we're talking about. This is the area. And this is the Indian boundary line. If you want to look at that. And then we started telling them, you know, it wanted us to went over by that tree. As you see, everything's like pretty overgrown. We searched the area and there were some noises. So we played it up for them and made it nice and spooky. But just interesting that this took us right by that place. Still a little ways for this one, but it's a good walk. Sun's out, clouds, there's a nice breeze. We don't walk nature trails very much, so nice to get out and see nature.
We should do that more.
So we're still walking. We had to go the roundabout way to get to the... You can kind of see the pin and where we're at. We gotta like go around this bend and another bend. Well, what's funny is it made it look like it was just a hop, skip, and a jump from the parking lot, because it is. We have to walk all the way around because everything's overgrown.
It's alright, we're getting our steps in for the day.
Yeah. Some good exercise.
Those are... It's like...
Straight out. Right here.
That looks like marshland because there's a runoff.
Well, we walked all this way. Might as well check it all out.
I'll break out with
I'll go, you don't have to. At least I'll go as far as I can. Yeah. Doing this to try and give you guys some good content here. See what I'm walking through.
There's Joey venturing off into the brush. I can't do that. Really bad allergies to pretty much everything around us right now, so. You're doing great, baby. Find anything mysterious?
Nothing mysterious. So that was a bust. Got some exercise though, so I mean that's not bad. Yeah, sometimes it's just about the adventure, the walk.
Baby, I'm proud of you.
You see all the got some nice scrapes. That was fun. It was my dumb fault for just wearing shorts. But 85 degrees, but Alright everybody, so we're back at the car. That was roughly a 3-mile round trip hike we were not prepared for. We are
wearing all black.
Yeah. She's got some bug bites. I don't know why I
did that.
I'm
definitely covered in bug bites.
Scratched up from my trek into the forest. We're gonna go ahead and call it quits for today. Like I said, definitely check out the the different videos of the spots we went to. If you see something to point out, absolutely point it out. If it's worth,
see anything
if it's worth going back, we'll even go back. But definitely point it out, and I'll look during the editing process and see, if I see anything. But yeah, we're gonna call it quits for today. Definitely beat, and be sure and check out our other Randonautica videos, and definitely check out our other series too. We have movie reactions. We definitely have some unboxing videos. So anything you guys are into, definitely check it out. So
if you like this video, please hit the like button.
Yes, definitely subscribe. Hit the like button. Get the bell for any new videos we post. We have some coming soon. So until next time, I'm Joey.
I'm Angela.
And we'll see you later, everybody.
Thanks for stopping by.